So let me show you guys how to download and install 7-Zip in Windows 11. So basically 7-Zip is a utility used to place a group of files within a compressed container called archive. So open your browser and search for 7-Zip. Press enter. Click the official link 7zip.org. From here, under download 7-Zip, the version is 26.01. So click download. Wait for file to be downloaded. After that, right click and click open to continue with the setup. Click yes. First minimize. So the destination folder, if you want to change the direction of your folder, click here and select the folder that you want and click install. So the installation is complete. You can close. Now let's compress some files. Open your file manager. So select the file that you want to compress. I'll select mine. After that, right click, choose compress to and select additional option. From here, under archive format, it's already set to 7-Zip. So I'll leave it in default and then click create. So my files will get compressed. And here is the folder. So that's how basically to download and install 7-Zip in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.